what are the advantages which we do? Of late I was, when I come, I stay in hostel and go back. Some things which I observed was, if we have a program and a child stays in hostel, I found at day scholars are disadvantaged. There are many disadvantages. One is, sorry, I don't have, I have. It must be the longest hour today. I haven't looked into this. Otherwise, this never goes off. ये चला जाता है तो heartbeat रुक जाए एक बार को, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. So as a student, they spend so much time looking into it. If you are in hostel, even if you are living in Guwahati, I will say, come and join hostel if you are doing this program. You will get how many extra hours I don't know. At home, there is a lot of distraction. जब मन आया तब खाना है, क्योंकि मम्मी दे ही देगी. भूखा तो रख नहीं सकती. हिंदुस्तानियों में इमोशंस और इतना होता है, थोड़ा खून निकल जाए हम देख नहीं सकते. तो बेटा भूखा रह जाए, बेटी भूखा रह जाए तो देख ही नहीं सकते. हॉस्टल में तो 7:30 खाना पड़ेगा, 8 बजे तक खत्म हो जाएगा. नो चॉइस. उसको भी पता है जहाँ नो चॉइस है, दे डोंट डू tantrums. And discipline is something teachers cannot do anything. You need self-study. You need to study today itself. So in hostel, if you really want, in this programs, people go to Kota. 20,000 per month for a shabby place. 20,000 go visit एक बार कोटा हो के आओ तो उस नगरी में आप खो जाओगे. 20,000 तो रहना खाना पीना अगर कोई डिसेंट के कमरे की जगह मिल जाए. फिर फीस, फिर एक मम्मी साथ रहे या कोई रहे. साल का 2 साल का 7-8 लाख रुपया खर्च कर दिया. फिर टेंशन रहती है कि बेटा ठीक है, बेटी ठीक है. 24 suicides in last 4 months, something I was reading in Kota. So much pressure. Why? There has to be holistic development. You cannot keep on reading. You won't get something which we give here as a hostel. The play, the games, your arts, your music. कभी भी मन करता है go to a music room and play. You will not get that facility at any place, leave alone Kota or Delhi or any place. So in school time, if you can integrate and along you have teachers out here and your doubts can be cleared any time, I don't think any other best program. People go for dummy schools. I just fail to understand. Schooling is just such a lovely part. Why go for a dummy school? और एक और आप डाटा देखिएगा, dummy school का कभी बच्चों का रिजल्ट निकालिए. ये नहीं है कि वो सारे क्लियर कर जाते हैं. It is never there. Nobody will tell you कि ये मेरा dummy school का बच्चा था और इसने क्लियर किया. Droppers are the least who clear the exam. आप कभी डाटा निकालिए. I studied about that. जो correct student होते हैं 12th के, they clear IIT and medical more compared to droppers. At least for IIT JEE. Because once you drop, you have lot of time. जब पॉकेट में टाइम या पैसा ज्यादा होता है, फजूल खर्ची के अलावा कुछ नहीं होता है. You profligate. You are not frugal about it because you have in excess. And that is what happens. अभी जो बच्चे हैं 10th 12th के बोर्ड रात दिन एक करके पढ़ रहे हैं. जरूरत ही नहीं थी अगर पूरे साल पढ़ लेते. But now the same student is studying. उनके पेरेंट्स को भी विश्वास नहीं होता मेरा बच्चा ऐसा पढ़ रहा है. Only thing is regularity. Science is not difficult. It is made difficult by not doing things regularly. So if you have this hostel, मैं तो कहता हूँ गुवाहाटी में भी पेरेंट्स हैं, अगर कोई यहाँ जो कर रहे हैं बच्चे को हॉस्टल में डालिए, आप हर महीने एक बार मिल लेंगे, ऐसा कोई मोह नहीं है. But the main target is focused goal. You will get the result 2 years down the line. Otherwise, time will never come back. And this is what we are now planning in a serious mode at RGS. We are just not thinking कि हाँ कर लेंगे हो जाएगा. The full-time faculty is being planned in on campus and in house. So that Sunday को जब doubt है, come. The more doubts you share and you do, that is how the things begin. And this is what the aim is. Synchronization with syllabus. Coaching center में कुछ चल रहा है, school में कुछ चल रहा है. बच्चा terms में अच्छा नहीं करता. आधे से ज़्यादा जो लेते हैं वो first term में drop out हो जाते हैं. उनको पता है हमसे ना हो पाएगा. They lose the race. They don't do well in school. They don't do well there. So that is what we are trying to do. Everything, travel time, कितना time बचता है. So that is what I believe those who are doing it, 8, 9, 10, be here and do it in a disciplined way. You need discipline, self-study, and that cannot happen at home. I'm not saying कि home में आपको cross check करना बहुत मुश्किल है, आपको पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि मोबाइल को आप छोड़ नहीं सकते, चाह के भी नहीं छोड़ सकते, and that is what is distracting a lot of students.